You're 1,000 miles away, but you're on my mind today. And I swear I can still see you in the light. Though we stand so far apart, we were closer at the start, when we talked until the morning passed us by. I'll be waiting, can you hear me? Calling out to you where you used to lie. Do you miss me? 'Cause I can still see you were as sweet as a Georgian pie. Getting colder every night, it's looking snowy on both sides. Hope you're locked in with your loved ones by the fire. 'Cause I remember nights like these, we'd wake up to the trees, beautiful and white in the morning time. I'll be waiting, can you hear me? Calling out to you where you used to lie. Do you miss me? 'Cause I can still see you were as sweet as a Georgian pie. Now I just roll out my bed, afternoon, it's a mess. Got it clean when you came through and said hi. Now I don't sleep more than 4 hours on my side. I made a fool of who I am, and I haven't seen you since. But now things aren't as dull as they used to be. You're 1,000 miles away, but you're on my mind today. And I swear I can still see you.